Play. That's cold. That's hot.
Connor, turn around. Look at me. Can you say hi, E.E.?
Hi, E.E.
Say, I love you.
Love you.
Can you blow her a kiss? Very good.
Bye.
Bye. What are you playing there?
Play cars.
You're playing with cars.
Yes. A motorcycle.
Motorcycle?
A motorcycle game. And game charger.
The tractor? Whoa.
A boo-boo shoe. Fast car.
That car seems a little slow.
A fast slow car.
A fast, slow car?
Fast slow car.
Come over, look at me.
Fast car. And a Nani car.
Nani's car?
Yes.
Where's Nani's car?
Right there.
Oh, that one is?
Yes.
Where's E.E.'s car?
Right there.
Oh, where's Uncle Dan's car?
Right there.
Oh, that one's Uncle Dan's too?
Yes.
Uncle Daniel?
A slow car.
Where's Papa's car?
Right there.
Oh, okay. Woo.
Nani car.
That's Nani's car?
Yeah.
Where's Papa's tractor?
Right there.
Right there?
Yes.
Do you miss them?
Yes.
You want to see them? You want to give them big hugs?
Yes. A big kiss.
And a big kiss?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
You tired?
A fast track. A fast track.
That's a fast track?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.